On this week's edition of Small, what we're looking at here today is a Hampton Bay San Marino ceiling fan in the brushed steel finish, paired with a set of black blades that are reversible to rosewood. The San Marino has been around since probably around 2001 or so, and was made all the way up until it got axed within the last year or so. It came in two finishes. It came in brushed steel, and then it also came in oil rub bronze. But we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the fan. As you see, it has the newer style motor housing, and it's got the more boxy switch housing look to it, but it also has the old oval Hampton Bay logo. I do not have the actual mounting down rod to this fan, as I got this fan flush mounted. But we're gonna start off the light. Nice little brightness there. And now we're gonna start off the fan on low. As I was stating, the San Marino came out, I wanna say in about 2001 or so. And like I said, lasted all the way until last year in 2023, when Hampton Bay decided to axe the San Marino entirely. The original San Marino looked very similar to the Carousel 2. It had same kind of dome looking switch housing, blades, blade arms, all that. Basically it was that in a smaller form and not all white. But this one here, I believe, is made by PowerMax, and I think the earlier ones may have been made by Aircool. Don't know entirely for certain on that. But these fans are definitely good for like hallways, closets, and all that. And I kind of like the look of these style ones. They just look better, in my opinion, than the whole gaudy dome looking housing. I think they made this fan look way too big than what it actually is. But the squared off switch housing ones make it look perfect. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and crank this fan to medium, see what this fan does. People tend to give these fans shit, and yeah, I can see why, but for like a little setting, these aren't terrible in terms of performance. And I like the fact that it has round tip blades for a 36-inch fan. You really don't see a lot of those. But the airflow is pretty decent on this one. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and crank this fan up to high and see what this fan does. Now we're going to do spin down. it's also noteworthy, it's funny that Hampton Bay and Casablanca have the same ceiling fan name, but yet are two totally different style ceiling fans. And the Casablanca one, I believe, uses a stack motor, while this one just uses your generic, I believe, 153 by 10 or so motor. But there you folks have it, the Hampton Bay San Marino ceiling fan. This is the Ginger Fan Man 92 here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day and take care.